What's up, guys? Dave here. This is a almost brand new 2023 Honda CRF 450 RWE, meaning Works Edition. I just wanted to show you real quick. If you ever buy a brand new bike, or you've bought one from someone who bought it brand new and barely rode it, I want you to make sure that you resist the temptation to bust out and go riding immediately. All right, here, look at this is the front axle. Notice there is not a lick of grease anywhere on it. There should be, at least a little bit of grease throughout the center. Same with the pivot bolt for your rear swing arm. There's usually hardly any grease from the factory with your steering bearings. Same with the rear axle. So I know, when you buy a new bike, you spend a ton of money, you want to immediately go hit the track, that weekend or something. I personally recommend you partially tear the bike down, and not only do you need to check that everything is good and snug, but you should grease everything that pivots or moves, anything with bearings in the frame, or anything that pivots with the frame or the wheels. Make sure you do just a little bit of grease. A little bit of lithium grease is fine. Waterproof grease is better for your axles. I know, believe me, I know. But it's been a long time since I had a brand new bike, or even near brand new. And so yeah, that's your pivot bolt for the swing arm. And it's not, you don't have to tear the whole bike down, but you should, put it up on a stand like this, take that nut out, tap that pivot bolt out the other side, clean it, and just put you a little bit of grease on it, put it back in. Same thing with the rear axle and front axle. Little things like that will help the bike live a lot happier life. And then, after you get everything back together, make sure you check every fastener throughout the entire machine, that it is snug. Everything on the handlebars. I used to actually work at a motorcycle dealership way back in the early 2000s. And sometimes those mechanics, they just, or it's not always the top mechanic who puts these bikes together. Sometimes it's just the porter or the dude who's like the washer, So check your bike over before you go riding it, if it's brand new or almost new. Anyway, just want to show you, and here's what the bike looks like, totally stripped down. I'm about to put all new plastics and graphics on it, grips and chain and stuff, even though this bike has barely more than 5 hours on it. I just want it to look fantastically brand new. So anyway, check out other videos. We do stuff about motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, Harley Davidsons, Yamaha motocross bikes, Honda scooters, Honda dirt bikes, a little bit of everything on our channel. So yeah, subscribe, like, follow, look for our social media links, our eBay store link, Amazon store link. Look through all that in the description of the video. And yeah, check out those forks too. Titanium nitride coated. Unbelievable. It is so slippery compared to regular. Oh my God. Anyway, that's it. We're just breaking her down to make it look beautiful. You'll have a great day. See y'all later.